So yesterday we cleaned a couple of cars, so we've got heaps of microfiber towels to clean. So I know that this is obviously not the most exciting video to make, but this is the other side of the deal here, is how do we clean our microfiber towels. It's really important to make sure that we clean these towels, because what happens is over time, like your bead maker towel or your drying aid towel starts to become quite clogged up with the product that you're using. So we use bead maker, and so this is our drying aid towel, and it's really clogged. And so what that does is the towel now becomes quite hydrophobic. It doesn't absorb the liquid, and you're just sort of pushing water around when you go to dry the towel. So we have been cleaning our microfiber towels with Micro Restore or the Chemical Guys Virgin. Those products, they do a reasonable job. They don't remove as much dirt and stuff as one would like. So lucky for us, this P&S product here, Rags to Riches, has finally arrived here in New Zealand, so we're really excited to give this product a nudge. We heard some good reviews from this, so today is the first day that we're going to try this. So I have the microfiber towels that have been in this bucket that we used at the weekend to clean the cars with. I've had them soaking in 2 ounces of Rags to Riches over the night, and so that's what the back of this product here says, that for heavy soil products or towels that haven't been washed with this product before or haven't been washed for a long time, is to soak them in 2 ounces of that. So that's what I've done, and then I'm going to put them in the washing machine, and I'm also going to add another 2 ounces to wash them with, because that's what it says to do. So hopefully we get some good results. So before we start and put them in the washing machine, this towel here, I'm not sure if you're totally going to see, but we've got a couple of overlays. There's a bit of a black mark on this towel, so this is what I was talking about. The black mark runs along the bottom here. The other products that we've been using don't remove these, and I've got a control towel here. This is a yellow towel. There's no other yellow towels in the bucket, and no other yellow towels will be going in the wash, but this towel here is really filthy, so you can see those black marks on there. So this is our control. We'll see how well this Rags to Riches product does at removing those stains out of this microfiber here. So I've come across this towel. This towel has been soaking in overnight. So this is the type of stuff that typically wouldn't come out of the towel with the other washes we've been using. So keep in mind, let's see how well that improves with this type of microfiber wash. And this is the control towel going in. So this hasn't soaked in overnight. So bearing in mind that maybe if I had soaked this, we might get these stains out a bit better. But this is just so you guys can see that there's been a change, hopefully. That's the dirty or the soaking water that we've had soaking those towels in overnight. So it's a little bit dirty. It's pulled a bit of the dirt out of the towels, as you'd expect, but we'll see how they wash up. Washing machine is all loaded. What's really good about this bottle, and a lot of the detergents actually come in this type of bottle, is we've got our little measuring cup here. So essentially what you do is you can just squeeze the amount of liquid. They've measured it out for you perfectly. So that's 1 ounce there, and 1 ounce typically is for really small loads or lightly soiled, or you can do 2 ounces for bigger loads, more soil. So I'm going to use 2 ounces in the detergent here, and put it in your detergent part. Don't put any other detergents in. No soap powders, no fabric softeners or anything like that. This product does it all for you. So that's 1 ounce, and we'll do 1 more ounce there. And so the washing machine is on, ready to go. When this is finished, I'm going to pull them out, put them in the dryer, because we like to dry our microfiber towels here. You're not going to see that part. What you're going to see is the finished result at the end. So when I brought these towels out from the dryer after washing them, there wasn't really a lot to say. I mean, this is our yellow towel, which we used as our test subject to see if this Rags to Riches product was going to get the stains out. And I think from looking at that, it hasn't really done too much. That hard stain there hasn't come out at all. And we also had another orange towel that had a real sort of a darker stain on here, and I don't know if you're going to see it, but it's just along the top of the towel here. It's sort of come out a little bit, so it's reduced it slightly. So if you were going to use this product as a stain remover, it might work, it might not. I mean, these set of towels I've had for sort of 7 or 8 months, so these towels are really hard test subject for this product to work, and in terms of removing the stains, it's probably done it a little bit. So with that in mind, I wanted to sort of sit on that sort of thought for a while. So it's now been another couple of weeks. I've been using these towels regularly, and then I've been washing with the rags to riches, because I sort of wanted to use the product a little bit to sort of formulate some ideas of whether this product is really good or not. So what I've found now is that these microfiber towels have become more hydrophilic. So when I'm using them to dry the car, they're sort of accepting the water better, they're drying a lot better than they were before. And basically, the microfiber wash, the rags to riches, has declogged the microfibers so that it now has that ability to be able to soak up some more of that water. These towels by no means have been rejuvenated to brand new. They are a lot better than they used to be. So I think now that we sort of use a lot more sort of SiO2 based chemicals, these have the tendency to clog up those microfibers, and the microfiber washers that I was using before didn't really unclog the fibers as well as rags to riches has. So this is a product that Omni Garage is now going to be using, and it's now going to be a product that's going to replace the other microfiber washers that we've been using, and this is a product that we recommend that you guys buy as well. So if you enjoyed this video, stay tuned for more OEM Plus right here on the Omni Garage, because let me tell you, there's plenty more of this content to come. Thanks for watching.